Good afternoon, it's Andy at Attleborough Centre. Just arrived into stock. This is 2013 Volkswagen Touran 7-seater 1.6 TDI 6-speed manual, covered 88,500 miles. Very good service history, and finished in this stunning metallic blue. Nice specification car with parking assistance, multifunction steering wheel, electric windows all round, and air conditioning. Multiple positions for the rear seats. Nice big boot. Supplied as normal with our minimum 3 months RAC warranty that includes 12 months free roadside cover. Check out our website for more photos, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.